Ever wanted to throw a pizza party that actually slaps?
So good. I love the bite with the egg. Really good.
I love doing pizza parties for my clients. This is the 72-hour dough from episode 3. I love an egg on a pizza. This is my breakfast carbonara. It is so delicious and amazing. You drop the egg on at the end to cook it perfectly. Here's just my regular marguerite. Look how good that looks. I'm actually starving. So I'm going to talk about some tricks to executing tons of pizzas for a large group. So let's get into it. Here's Anthony having his first bite. We're always filming, so they're used to it at this point. He says it's all right, but here's the deal. You've got the dough. It's all rested and ready to go. I'm using a little bit of rolling just to make it the perfect shape to fit into my oven. But less toppings is better. A little sauce, a few toppings. Don't go crazy because that weight will weigh it down. It'll stick to the oven and it won't cook and be crispy and awesome and delicious. So that's one of the biggest points. Another thing is oil the border and the base and a little on the top. That makes it delicious, crispy, and flavorful. That oil, yum. Here's that perfect pie coming out. We're gonna finish with fresh basil, yum.